Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Amber. In today's video, I'm going to review for you the NYX Marshmellow Primer and Blender. So this primer claims to have 10 benefits. And a lot of these benefits are because this product is infused with marshmallow root extract. The marshmallow root is known for its healing properties and has been used for centuries because it's packed full of vitamins and antioxidants. So this ingredient is found in many skincare products. So here are the 10 skin-loving benefits that this primer claims to have. It's gonna smooth your skin. It's gonna soften your skin. It's going to extend that makeup for 16 hours. It's also going to hydrate it and make it feel moisturized. It's going to soothe your skin. It's going to blur all those lines. It's going to minimize any texture you have on your face. It's going to even out that skin tone. It's going to give your skin a soft, focused finish. And lastly, it's going to keep your makeup fresh. So I'm going to test all these things out. So if you want to see if this primer lives up to these 10 benefits, then first make sure you're subscribed and then sit on back, relax, have a laugh, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So I got this primer and blender at Target. So the primer comes in 1.01 ounces and costs $16.99. So most drugstore primers range about $6 to $13. So this is $16.99, so this is definitely on the high end of drugstore primers. And the blender to use the primer with cost $8.99. So I love the looks of this blender, being in the shape of a marshmallow and having a cute little heart on it. But the price, ugh. Again, most drugstore blenders are about $5. And this blender is $8.99. So again, it is on the high side of a drugstore blender. This primer has a whipped texture that's gonna dry down clear, and I love the smell of it. It has a very slight, sweet, sugary vanilla scent to it. So here we go, let's put it on my face. So I put 3 squirts on the blender, and now I'm going to dab it in the T-zone areas. And this is to help concentrate the product, to help blur those pores and even out the skin tone. And now I'm going to gently bounce the sponge all over my face and spread that product all around. So this blender is very soft on the skin and it moves that product right around and does a great job. All right, let's get into those 10 benefits, but make sure you stay to the end so you can hear my final thoughts on this primer and blender. So first up, does it smooth your skin? No. If you look at my cheeks here, they do not look smooth. So here is a comparison of the NYX primer on the left and then just my normal primer that I use every day on the right. And you can see the difference. The primer on the right, yeah, you can still see some of the texture, but it's definitely not as bad looking as the NYX Marshmellow primer on the left side. Next, does it soften your skin? I honestly cannot tell because it is so sticky. Now it says it's going to extend your makeup for 16 hours. I would say that it does. You can see here how sticky the primer is. And I test it sticking the paper on my neck, and you can see the paper falls right off. So that definitely shows that my face is sticky. And with having a sticky primer, it's gonna grab a hold of that makeup and grasp it there all day long. Next, it says it's going to hydrate your skin, and I would say that it does. So right now, I have a cold, so my nose has been pouring a lot, and that means lots of blowing and lots of wiping. And so my nose was really kind of raw and red, and it was really dry. And so I put the primer all over my nose, and it definitely hydrated and moistened that dryness of my nose. Here is where you can see how the NYX primer moisturized my nose. So on the left side, it looks great. The right side, using my everyday primer, you can see the balled up foundation that clung to the dry patches and dry skin on my nose. So next, does it soothe your skin? Yes, it does. So when you put it on your skin kind of has this feeling about it. It just has this soothing feeling that sinks right into your skin. Next, does it even out your skin tone? So here's a comparison to see if it evens out my skin tone. So on the left side is my face with no primer, and on the right side is my face with primer. Now, do you see a difference? Maybe on the right side here, that cheek isn't quite as red, but it's very slim on the difference. Then it claims to minimize your texture. So this kind of goes along with the smoothing of the skin. That this primer does not smooth, and it does not minimize your texture. So does it blur your lines? You probably already know the answer to that. No, it does not. Here you can see all my lines on my forehead, and those lines definitely are not blurred. Next, does it add a soft focus to your skin? So this means, does your skin have that soft, blurry effect, like if a photographer blurred out those imperfections? Now, we know up close, you can see everything. But I would say from a distance, my skin looks good. So I just got to keep everyone out of my personal space and out of my bubble. And then my skin will have a nice, soft focus look. And the last benefit is it keeps your makeup looking fresh all day long. So check out these photos of me wearing this primer throughout the week and showing how my makeup looks at the end of the day. So again, because that primer is so sticky, it grips that foundation and grips all that makeup and keeps it on and makes your face look fresh all day long. So out of the 10 benefits of this primer, 5 worked good for me. So to summarize, what I love about this primer is that it's going to hydrate your skin and soothe it. It's going to keep your makeup looking fresh and extend it all day long. And love that smell, love that sweet, sugary vanilla scent. So everything else that it claims with the smoothing, the minimizing the texture, didn't work for me. And the other downfall, again, is that price. These are on the higher end of drugstore products. So if you're looking for a primer that's going to fill in those pores and smooth your skin, this primer is not for you. If you're looking for a primer that's going to moisturize and lock that makeup in all day long, then this primer is for you. Well, thank you for watching this video and learning all about the NYX Marshmellow Primer and Blender. And as always, have a blessed day. Remember, Jesus loves you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!